Welcome to our new tutorial video on our online Conveyor configurator. The configurator allows you to specify both TB30 and TB40 conveyor series. Registration is not required to use a configurator, but you will not be able to receive pricing. Pricing and additional functions are available to you if you are registered and logged in. For example, you can save, print and edit your configuration and also add it to the shopping cart if you wish. The price including packaging and transportation costs will also be available to you, and most importantly, you can take advantage of special online discounts that are a minimum of 5%. When you complete the registration, it will work for both the configurator and the Montech eShop. The configurator can be found on the product page of the TB40 or TB30 conveyor. It has been designed to easy to understand, user-friendly and intuitive. Let's now specify a TB30 conveyor. The configuration is done in 9 steps. First, you specify the conveyor width, side guides, body and chassis width. Variants are displayed for your selection. Then enter the desired length of your conveyor. The allowable minimum or maximum length is displayed below the dialog title. In the third step, you select the operating mode and enter the conveyor mass. Then select the possible drive options and their features. For the center drive position, you can select the inlet and outlet roller diameters or choose a nose bar. Then select the possible drive options and their features. In step 5, you can decide whether you need a belt with or without cleats. Next, select the belt. The drop-down menu suggests belts for various industries or with certain mechanical or chemical properties. Additional detailed information on each belt can be found here. In step 7, you can specify whether your conveyor should have a sliding plate. After that, choose whether your conveyor needs a hinge. Finally, enter the preferred CAD format for your configured conveyor. Using the menu bar on the left side of the screen, you can go to each configuration step and change the data you have entered if necessary. And the configuration is finished. As previously mentioned, a variety of functions are available when you are logged in. You can see a 3D view of your configured conveyor and you can save your configuration. You can save the configuration so that you can edit it later if necessary. By clicking the shopping cart button, you can see the price of the conveyor with the packaging and transportation costs. And you can download a quotation and download a datasheet of your conveyor configuration. You can also order your conveyor and secure an online discount of at least 5%. Find the appropriate spare parts and accessories for your conveyor. Under Downloads, you can download the operating instructions and CAD data of your configured conveyor. Unfortunately, without registration, these functions are not available to you. Now it's your turn. Give the configurator a try and specify a conveyor for yourself. If you have questions or require support, we are happy to help you. Your Montech team.